Hey guys, I'm Rory and this is Bel and welcome back to SATV, where we're going to dive straight off the Stenhouse Bay Jetty in Innes National Park and explore the beautiful underwater world of the Yorke Peninsula.
Beautiful, right up your alley. Then we're going to go spending a bit of time in one of Adelaide's best chefs. Adam Liston from Shabosho is going to take us into his very own home kitchen and make the perfect fried rice. And then Prairie Hotel's executive chef, Nick, is going to make a grilled kangaroo sandwich on damper with bush tomatoes and chili relish, and he's going to be making that outside in the beautiful Flinders Range.
And if you want to make your wife or yourself a cocktail, 23rd Distillery are running a virtual bar where you can make an espresso martini or a rosé Cosmo. And the head chef at Umbria Rustica will also show us how to make some gnocchi.
And then we're also going to have a beautiful autumn tour of the Mount Lofty Botanic Gardens, which will be beautiful. But guys, really exciting news for the state this week. Regional travel has opened back up, so it's a perfect opportunity to get out there and explore your own backyard. If there's a place you've always wanted to visit, now is the time. Or if there's a place you'd like to revisit that's a favourite, perfect time to do it. Let's support local tourism.
But stay safe.
Of course.
Keep COVID laws in mind.
Definitely, and we might even be going on our very own little trip this week, so keep up to date with that on our socials this week, and we look forward to seeing you next week.